Mm, People call me shaman not because I stick that on my name. Being a shaman, people call me natural because they saw that what I did, what I do, what things that I share to people, and I didn't get the shaman as like a badge for my ego. It is a lot of sacrificial sacrifices, time, effort, you know, to be in this field. And being you cannot what do you call this? Where steal idea from that people, from masters. You need the effort and trust from the master, and the master will tell you if you're ready. You know, it is not like just to be cool. Being in this job in this spiritual realm is a big responsibility. So calling out all of these clowns and people who just being a shaman just like that, you have to be careful of things that you're handling and you're carrying. Well, I'm not there anymore, but it's already you. It's the karma is already in you. So don't don't copy it. Don't steal ideas from this kind of practice.